Hey, this is Max from Unifire, and I'm going to show you how to use Unifire super efficiently. So it's super easy. We can select whatever content asset we want. For example, something easy like a summary or keywords for a podcast. Could also go for YouTube assets and maybe a newsletter. Doesn't really matter. You can select all of these. And the process is super simple. We now go to generate, click on generate content. We can paste text here, we can upload a file, or we can drop a link. In our case, we're gonna put in a video from the OpenAI CTO, click on write content, and it's automatically uploaded and transcribed in the background, and we will quickly see the results. Now you're on the generate page, so you can literally give some custom instruction how you want your summary, your keywords, and so we're not going to do this. Just going to click generate and going to go through it. So we use generations as a value metric for Unifier. So this is, for example, the cost of one generation, and yeah, we're going to generate the newsletter as well. So usually the transcription is ultra fast. Already in the background, you see it's done. And what we could do now is edit speaker labels, find and replace things, but we're not going to do that either. But we can just improve the transcript and go straight to content generation. So that's also super easy. Now, if we're going to go under here, we see that it's writing. And for example, if you click inside here, we can see that I already uploaded some other content, and we can see it wrote the YouTube title, the text, the summary. The summary is like nicely formatted as well, looking into what they discussed about Sora, and yeah, obviously the keywords very heavily leaning on AI, and in this newsletter as well, we can look into nicely formatted educational newsletter. And now if you just want to edit it, you can go inside, and for example, unraveling is definitely what we should ban our AI to ever use. And magic and challenges of generated with Sora, that's cool. The introduction word is also not necessary, and we are done. And we could share this content with our collaborators. They could edit it like on Figma or Notion. And that's how you use Unifier.